Hi there, bag makers. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Melissa and I'm with Sew Yours. Today is just a quick video to let you know that our long-awaited Text 70 thread and 4 new colors in our Text 45 thread is available on our website at sewyours.com, or you can stop in our store here in Dunellen, Florida to shop. We brought in 8 colors of our Text 70 thread. A lot of those are our best sellers of our Text 45. We also brought in rose. That is going to complement our rose gold hardware beautifully. So as you can see here in the sample strap that I made, I used our navy milled grain faux leather, paired that with the rose thread and our rose gold hardware. Just like with our Text 45 thread, our Text 70 is available in the 1,575 yards. This is the perfect amount. It keeps the price point low and allows you to order lots of different colors so that you can stock up. Our steel color matches our milled grain faux leather and our steel blue color beautifully. So stop in our shop here in Dunellen or shop online at sewyours.com to stock up on thread today.